Fiber optic insulation damage to irrigation. Mr. Middleton contacted me by text showing a cut pipe on May 7, 2019 at 1:03 p.m. showing where Vibraplow contractor had cut the main feed line for the irrigation system. The picture shown here is what Mr. Middleton sent me. This is left of home where main from meter feeds backflow and feeds from backflow out to zone valves in the yard. This is the first leak, and the yellow arrows on the top part show the inlet from the meter to the backflow. The arrow on the left shows the main line is underneath the pipe where the shovel and the elbow is, and the outlet feed to the zone valves is the other pipe indicated here. So we fixed this one. Once we had that one fixed, then the second leak was found, which is the outlet side of the backflow that feeds the zone valves. So we dug it up and fixed that. Then the third leak that we found was somewhat of a mystery to begin with, because we only found the common wire in this hole whenever we dug it up. So we repaired the third leak. And here is shown the fourth leak when we had the water turned on after we fixed the third leak. And here's the fourth leak put back together. It shows a lateral line above the main line. And if you'll notice, below the lateral line is the main line, and it was cut right where the T is at in the bottom center of this picture. So we spliced it back together. And this is where we realized why there wasn't any red wires in the previous hole, and that's because the Vibraplow pulled the wire along with his fiber optic line up towards the street, and the other two zone valves, the red wires, actually fed. And here's the fifth leak, closer to the street, and this is the end of the day on May 8th, where we had completed repair of 4 mainline leaks and located the fifth cut in the main line at 4 p.m. Then on May 13th, we repaired the fifth leak, shown in the previous picture. After we had the fifth leak fixed, we had to locate the zone valves for the front yard to reinstall the wire that controlled the 2 front turf zones due to the Vibraplow cutting and pulling them from the 2 red wires found in the 4th mainline leak location, shown here in the bottom of this picture. So we reinstalled the new wires, and then we had one more leak on the lateral line on zone 2, and we repaired it. After repairing this, we found that just outside the bed where the controller was at, the Vibraplow had cut the 4 zone wires that went to 4 of the different zones in the yard, and we repaired these.